Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Trello, a simple and powerful tool to organize your tasks, projects, or team workflows. So let's jump into it. Trello is a free, web-based productivity tool that helps you visually manage your work. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or part of a team, Trello gives you a clear view of what needs to be done and who's doing it. To get started, open your browser and go to Trello.com. You can sign up or log in using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account super quick and easy. Trello also has mobile apps available on Android and iOS, so you can manage tasks on the go. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello workspace. This is your main dashboard. Here, you can create a board, which represents a project. Inside each board, you can create lists like to do, doing, and done to organize your workflow. And under each list, you can add cards which are individual tasks or items. You can drag cards between lists as work progresses. Each card can have due dates, checklists, attachments, team members, and even comments. It's super flexible and helps keep everything in one place. Trello also has power-ups, which are like add-ons. You can connect with tools like Google Calendar, Slack, or ClickUp to streamline your work even more. Overall, Trello is all about visual productivity, easy to use, customizable, and perfect for both personal and professional use. So if you're just getting started, create your first board today and start organizing your life with Trello.